Good morning, good afternoon and good evening guys. My name is Deep Churing Lepcha. In this video, we are going to install Windows 7 in VirtualBox and integrate it in GNS3 environment. Let's begin. Here I have got Windows 7 ISO file over there. So you can download it from Microsoft website. Open up VirtualBox. Just double click on it and then just ignore this message. I don't know. Alright, so click on new. Over there, type in the name for Windows 7. I'm going to type Windows 7 and select 32-bit operating system. Next, and this is my RAM size. Next, and then create. My RAM size is 1 GB. Click on next again. Click on next again. Over there, you can see that where you can save the VirtualBox file. It's written over there 32 GB and we don't need that much. I'm going to type just 25 GB. Create, and then I have created one virtual machine VM template. Go to settings. Over there the disk is empty, so select on it. On the right side, click on the disk and then choose the optical drive ISO file from the desktop. So go to desktop over there and select the file. Alright, okay, click on open and then alright, okay, now start the machine. Click on start. Alright, let's see. Okay, minimize it. Over there you can see that our file is been extracting, loading files in Windows. So starting Windows. Alright, starting Windows, just wait. Okay, over there you can see, alright, you can see that Windows 7. Click on next and then click on install now. Setup is starting and just bear with me. Alright, you can see that I have got many 32 bits operating system for Windows 7 and there are many versions. So I'm going to install Windows 7 Professional Service Pack 1 x86 means 32-bit of operating system. I'm going to accept the license agreement and then click on next. Over there you can upgrade. So I'm going to install Custom Advanced because I don't have previously installed Windows XP or Windows Vista. So I'm going to go for clear installation from the scratch. Over here, if you want to separate drives, you can separate it, but I have only got 25 GB of hard disk, so click on next. So my C drive will take the whole space of my hard disk. That means 25 GB of C drive. So alright, installing. Okay, installing features, then update, and it's going to complete. Okay, it's going to restart the machine. Over here you can see that press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Don't press anything. Alright, don't press anything. It's going to start up on its own. Starting Windows. Alright, bear with me. Alright, you can see that completing configuration. Again, it's going to restart. Don't press anything. If you press any button, then you have to go again. You have to go for the whole process again. So don't press any button when it asks you. So this is my freshly installed Windows 7. Go to computers. Right click on computer and properties. Over there you can see that my Windows 7 Professional has been installed. 1 GB of RAM and 32-bit operating system. And over here user1 is my username, and over you can see that I have got 2 days. Alright, so you have to buy your license key. This is actually working as NetVocator's translation, so I can directly ping to Google. I'm directly connected to the website, that means internet. and it's successfully pinging with Google, right? Okay, now shut down the machine. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to share my host folder, my D drive within the VirtualBox. So go to share folders, over there select the path, others, and I'm going to select my D drive. Okay, this is my D drive, select folder. Alright, click on OK and then click on OK again. Now start the machine again. Alright, starting. Okay, don't press anything. I forgot to eject that disk. Alright, wait for a while. Just bear with me. Alright, starting Windows. Just close this pop-up. Okay. So you can see actually that our Windows has been installed successfully. So what we are going to do is we are going to create network map drive so that we can actually access our D drive from the inside a guest virtual machine. Alright, so okay, alright, go to start and computer. First eject this disk. Alright, this Windows disk, eject it. Okay, now go to devices, over there install guest additional disk. This is for the additional drivers for Windows, so that supports in VirtualBox. So I'm going to install this one. Click on yes. These are the additional drivers and that enables additional features in Windows. So you can see that I maximize it, but the window size is within this frame, right? So what it does is actually I'm installing these tools. So when I restart the machine, it's going to use the whole window size. So that means for great performance for video, you will be having much more features related to VirtualBox, and it's going to support everything for network interface card and all related to VirtualBox and related to your Windows 7. So I'm going to reboot the machine. Finish. Now you can see that I have maximized it, and this is the area. It's only covering this area. Now when it's rebooted, it's going to take the whole area, right? That means it's going to utilize the full video resolution. Starting Windows again, I'll close this pop-up and wait. Just bear with me. Alright, starting Windows 7 Professional. Okay. See, alright, see, you can see that all this video resolution has covered all the maximize size, so it fits on it. And go to computer again, eject this. We are done with this. So this is how we can install our external features. Click on browse. Now VirtualBox drive. Okay, and then finish. So here you can see that my D drive actually is a network drive. So this is the network drive. I can actually access this D drive from my virtual machine. I can copy anything. So copy this file to my virtual machine desktop. See? So I can actually use my D drive from my virtual machine. It's accessible. Truly fine. Shut down. Thanks for watching, guys.